seed starting supplies at Walmart. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So I'm here at Walmart, and we're gonna take a look at what they have for seed starting supplies. Range from seed starting trays to soil and seeds and grow lights. So over here they have a good selection of seeds, and these are fairy moss seeds on this rack right here, and they have a good selection of seeds for vegetable, herbs, flowers, and other gardening seeds that you can get over here. So over here, this is beans and other stuff. They are $2.46. As you can see, they have a good selection of good variety of them. Same with over here, they have flowers, and they have quite a huge selection of flowers, sunflowers, and different flowers that you can get and start your gardening early. If you're thinking of starting your seeds indoors or starting your seeds early before spring, you want to try to make sure that you get the supplies and the seeds that you need. Over here, they have some cheap seeds. These are $1.96 seeds that you can use to start seeds indoors, and they have some good selection over here too. Let me know in the comments below what type of how you get your seeds, if you save your seeds or you buy seeds from the store or online or catalogs. Let me know in the comments below. So over here they have seed starting mix. As you can see, you can get a seed starting mix bag like this and be able to start your seeds indoors. I make my own seed starting mix. There's a video. I'll see if I can put the link in the description below, and that shows you how you can make your own seed starting mix for pennies. Here we have a seed starting tray. This is 72 cell seed starting tray, and this is 18 pot seed starting tray over here. And so they have a good selection of trays and seeds starting supplies over here that you can use. This is just a regular seed starting tray with nothing else. And here we have biodegradable seed starting pots that you can use to start your seeds. And they have different sizes. And down here you have more seed starting mix. And up here you have another biodegradable seed starting container. Up here, these are grow lights. If you're gonna start seeds indoors, you need grow lights to provide enough light for the seeds to do well, so that they don't turn into something else and they have lengthy or slim stems. So you want to make sure you provide them enough light. They have plant labels over here, and this is a heat mat. Heats do much better and they start much faster if you have a heat mat underneath that provides them a temperature of 70 to 80 degrees. Here they have a seed starting tray set up with a greenhouse kit that you can start your seeds in them, and you can just provide that greenhouse effect with the tray like this, and it has everything, and it has water in there. It maintains the water and the humidity in there for better seed germination. These are peat pallets that you can use to start your seeds, 36. Down here you have big packs of seeds, and these are just extra large packs of seeds if you're gonna plant this particular seeds. These are large packs of seeds in different sizes and different variety of seeds. Down here, this is a seed tray. This is a seed starting station that you can use. It's a bamboo seed starting station that you can expand, and then you have like 3 or 4 layers where you can put your seeds or trays in there and be able to start your seeds on them. If you don't have a seed starting station or a seed starting shelf or greenhouse, you can use this and be able to start your seeds on this. And this is $49. Over here they have more seed starting supplies, peats. These are peats over here, and over here on the right you have different seed starting supplies. So up here they have more seeds. They have a good selection of seeds right here. And these are made by a burpee, I think. And here you have more supplies. You have nets, you have clips, and all of them are up here. You have more heat mat over here, and this one is $27. And over here you have more seeds, and you have a good selection of seeds and a variety of seeds. These are back to root seeds over here, and these ones are also have a good selection of seeds too. Up here you have seed packs of flowers, different variety of them that you can get. So a good selection of seed packs over here for the flowers. And down here we have more trays, seed trays. These are reusable trays that you could use them season after season, and the bottom easily pops out for you to get your seeds. Over here they have some other garden supplies like mushroom kits and some other garden tools that you can use for gardening. Okay, if you like the video so far, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. And up here you have, these are flowers that are rolled up in the patch, flower patch that you roll them out and they just cover it up and these flowers grow up. And over here you have different variety of flower kits and seed kits that you can plant and use. So they have quite a good selection of seed and seed starting stuff over here at Walmart. You might not have the same thing at your local stores, so because some stores might have more items than others, but I'll say check your local stores and see what they have. I'll see if I can also put a link to some of the stuff over here in the description below or in the comments. See if you can, if you're interested in something like that, I'll put a link to them in below, so that way you're able to get them. You can get some of these online, you can get some of these in different locations, so I'll put a link to some of them in the description below. So over here they have a seed starting mix. Over here there's a different variety of seed starting mix. This one's back to root seed starting mix, and this one has a lot of different nutrients and different size than the other one. So this is $7.97 for the organic seed starting mix from back to roots. So that is what they have over here. Over here they have some little nice trays that you can use to start like windowsill or kitchen herbs. You can just get your herbs in them and just put them in the kitchen window and be able to grow some of these herbs and stuff, and lavender and flowers in this nice little containers. So over here they have some cocoa coir that you can use for either racks or use them to plant in the either in the greenhouse or outside. So over here they have some containers, various containers that you can use to pot your plants and grow them indoors or grow them in the greenhouse or outside. So they have different variety and different sizes of pots and wall planters. Okay, if you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.